God bless you, my dear students. Now I am going to start class 8, unit 5, profit and loss, worksheet 1. So let's see here. By selling a bed sheet for rupees 640, a shopkeeper earns a profit of 28%. How much did it cost the shopkeeper? By selling, that means after selling, a bed sheet for rupees 640. Shopkeeper is selling the bed sheet. Shopkeeper is selling the bed sheet for rupees 640. That means SP of the bed sheet is rupees 640. SP equal 640. Now, earns a profit of 28%. Profit percent equal 28. Again, the question asks, how much did it cost the shopkeeper? That means at what price the shopkeeper purchased the bed sheet. You have to find CP of the bed sheet. You can do it in 3 ways. First one is by using formula CP equal SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. It is equal to SP is rupees 640 into 100 by 100 plus profit percent is 28. Right here 28. It will be equal to 640 into 100 plus 128. Now 64 10 ja, 64 2 ja, 2 5 ja. It is rupees 5 into 100 equal rupees 500. 5 into 100. That means the cost of the bed sheet for the shopkeeper was rupees 500. The shopkeeper purchased the bed sheet for rupees 500. This is one method. Now second method. Let the CP of the bed sheet be rupees X. Then according to question, profit percent is 28. So profit equal 28% of X, the cost price of the bed sheet. Now 28% of rupees X means 28 by 100 into rupees X. X is multiplied here. So rupees 28x by 100. This is profit. Now again according to question, SP is rupees 640. So right here SP equal rupees 640. SP equal CP plus profit. CP equal X and profit equal 28x by 100. Right here. This is SP. Now add them. Take LCM, it will be 100x plus 28x by 100. 128x by 100. Now you have to find x, so take 128 and 100 to the right side. 100 is multiplier and 128 becomes divisor. After division you will get x equal 500. That means the cost of the bed sheet for the shopkeeper was rupees 500. Now third method. Let the cost price of the bed sheet be rupees 100. Then according to question, profit equal 28% of rupees 100 equal 28 by 100 into 100 cancel 28 rupees 28 and SP equal CP plus profit. CP is rupees 100 and profit is rupees 28 plus 128. Now we are going to use unitary method. Let's see, when SP is rupees 128, then CP is rupees 100. Now when SP is rupees 1, in place of 128 write here 1, unitary method. Then CP equal rupee 100 by 128. Now you have to find CP when SP is rupees 640. So right here, when SP is rupees 640, then CP equal 100 by 28 into 640. 128 1 ja 128, 128 5 ja 640 and 100 5 ja 500. The shopkeeper purchased the bed sheet for rupees 500. All these methods are correct. Use whatever you think is easy. Now question number 2. Ranjan purchased 250 packets of blades at the rate of rupee 8 per packet. He sold 70% of the packets at the rate of rupees 11 per packet and remaining packets at the rate of 9 per packet. Find his gain percent. Here, total number of packets purchased is 250 and CP of one packet rupees 8 per packet. So CP equal rupee 8 for one packet. Right here, CP of one packet blade equal rupee 8. Now CP of 250 packets of blades equal rupees 8 into 250. 25 8 are 200 and 10, so rupees 2000. Now when he is going to sell, he sells in two parts at two different rate. 250 70% and 30%. 70% of 250 equals 70 by 100 into 250 equals 5 5 za 5 2 za 2 35 za 5 5 za 25 5 3 za 15 to 17 and here 30% of 250 30 by 250 30 by 100 into 250, it is equal to 75. Now SP, look here, he sold 70% of the packets at the rate of rupees 11 per packet. SP of one packet is rupees 11 and sold 70%, that means sold 175 packets. Right here, SP of one packet equal rupees 11. SP of 175 packets equal rupees 11 into 175, and it is equal to 11 5s are 55, 11 7s are 77 plus 5 82, 11 1s are 11 or and 1925, and 30% of 250 75. Here remaining packets at the rate of rupee 9 per packet. That means he is selling one packet for rupees 9. Right here, case 2. This was case 1. SP of one packet of blade equal rupee 9. So SP of 75 packet of blades equal rupee 9, and it is 9 5s are 45, carry 4, 9 7s are 63, 63 4 7, 67, 675. Now for the whole transaction, total SP equals rupees 1925, 1925 plus rupees 675, and it will be rupees 2600. Total CP equal rupees 2000. Obviously CP is less and SP is more, so there will be a profit on whole transaction. Profit equals SP minus CP. SP is rupees 2600 minus rupees 2000. It is rupees 600. Profit percent equal profit by CP into 100. Profit is rupees 600. CP is rupees 2000 into 100. Now 600 into 100 by 2000, 30. 2 from here, 1 from here. 2 1s are 2 3s are, and it is 3 into 10 equal 30%. In the whole transaction, there was a profit of 30%. He got a profit of 30%. Now question number 3. Ankit sold 2 jeans for rupees 990 each. That means SP of one jeans is rupees 990 and SP of another jeans is also rupees 990. On one he gains 10%, on the other he lost 10%. Loss percent is 10. Find his gain or loss percent in the whole transaction. Remember, he is selling 2 jeans at the same price. The SP of first jeans was 990 and SP of second jeans was also rupees 990. But he did not purchase the jeans at the same price. You have to find them separately. So let's case 1. SP equal rupees 990. Profit percent 10. Using formula CP equal SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. Now SP 990 into 100, 100 plus profit 10, profit percent. 100 plus 10, it is 110. You can cancel 0 and 0. 11 1 ja 11, 9 ja 9 into 100, 900. CP for the first jeans was rupees 900. Now case 2. SP is same, 990. Loss percent is 10. Using formula CP equal SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. 100 minus loss percent, that means 100 minus 10, it is 90. Now 0, 0, 9, 1 ja and 1 ja. So 11 into 100, 1100. These two are CP of the jeans. So in the whole transaction, total CP 900 plus 1100, 2000. Total SP 990 plus 990, 1980. Obviously CP is more, SP is less. So there will be loss. Loss equals CP minus SP, 2000 minus 1980 rupees, 20. Loss percent, loss by CP into 100, rupees 20 by rupees 2000 into 100. Cancel 1 0 and 2 0. 2 1 ja. It is 1. He lost 1% in the whole transaction. Now question number 4. Nidhi purchased 2 sarees for rupees 2150 each. That means cost price of one saree is rupees 2150 and the cost of the another saree is also rupees 2150. She sold one saree at a loss of 8% and the other at a gain. But we don't know what was gain or gain percent. If she had a gain of rupees 1230 on the whole transaction, find the selling price of the second saree. Now, CP of first saree 2150, loss percent 8. Use formula SP equals CP into 100 minus loss percent. 2150 into 100 minus 8, 100. 100 minus 8, 92. Now cancel it, 0, 0. And 5, 2 ja, 5, 4 ja, 5, 3 ja. 2, 1 ja, 2, 4 ja, 2, 6 ja. 43 into 46, rupees 1978. This is the SP of the first saree. Now, let the SP of the second saree be rupees X, then total SP of both saree equal rupees 1978 plus rupees X. Now in another way, CP of both saree means you have to add 2152 times and you got here rupees 4300. If she had a gain of rupees 1230 on the whole transaction, it is the gain. So total SP equal total CP plus total profit, 4300 plus 1230, 5530. It was SP of first saree, SP of second saree, and this is SP of both saree. So both will be equal. Now you have to find X. So take 1970 to the right side. It will be minus 5530 minus 1978 equal rupees 3552. This is the SP of second saree. The SP of the second saree is rupees 3552. Now question number 5. By selling 35 greeting cards, a shopkeeper loses an amount equal to the selling price of the 5 greeting cards. Find his loss percent. Here, selling 35 greeting cards and loss equal to selling price of 5 greeting cards. That means all are related to selling price. So, we let here the selling price of one greeting card be X. Then selling price of 5 greeting cards equal 5x, 5 into x. And also selling price of 35 greeting cards is equal to 35 into x, 35x. In the question, it says that a shopkeeper loses an amount equal to the selling price of the 5 greeting cards. Loss equal SP of 5 greeting cards. So SP of 5 greeting cards equal 5x. So loss equal 5x. Now we know that CP equal SP plus loss. So SP is 35x, loss equal 5x, 35x plus 5x equal 40x. Again we know that loss percent equal loss by CP into 100. Loss 5x, CP 40x into 100. X and X cancelled, 0 cancelled. So it is 5 into 10 by 4. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25, 25 by 2, 12 and half. He had a loss of 12.5%. Now last question, question number 6. A man bought bananas at the rate of 10 for 45 and sold at the rate of 1 dozen bananas for rupees 51. Find the gain or loss percent. Bought, that means CP, rupees 45 for 10 banana. CP of 10 bananas equal rupees 45. That means CP of 1 banana equal rupees 45 divided by 10. You can take it in fraction, or also you can write as rupees 4 and 50 paise. Now, sold at the rate of 1 dozen bananas for rupees 51. That means selling price of 12 bananas equal rupees 51. SP of 12 bananas 51. SP of 1 banana 51 divided by 12. Here you can also take in fraction. I am writing here in rupees and paise. Rupees 4 and 25 paise. There is a loss because CP is rupees 4 and 50 paise. SP is rupees 4 and 25 paise. Loss equals CP minus SP. 4.50 minus 4.25 equal 0.25. 25 paise. There is a loss of 25 paise after selling 1 banana. So loss percent equal loss by CP into 100. 0.25 by 4.50 into 100. In the decimal part there are 2 digits and here also 2 digits. So you can remove this decimal. Now it became 25 by 450 into 100. 0 0 cancel. 5 9 and 5 2 ja. 25 2 ja 50 by 9. And after changing it into mixed number, 9 5s are 45 plus 5. 50 by 9. 5 whole 5 by 9. He had a loss of 5 whole 5 by 9%. Thank you for watching my videos. Do not forget to subscribe.